cold outside and there's a long night ahead. Hot chocolate and warm fluffy pyjamas, a perfect evening for crafting. Hi everyone, today we're going to be making some Christmas tree ornaments in the rustic farmhouse style, and we're also going to be recycling some cardboard so it's inexpensive to make these. So you're going to start by outlining the mason jar lid, and you're going to carry on doing that for as many tree decorations as you like. And now the next step is to of course cut them out. Now that you have your circles cut out, and just ignore that, we're going to be making some holes so that we can hang them on our tree. Now we're going to take some twine and we're going to just poke that through the hole that we've created so that we can hang it up. And then all I'm going to do is apply a little bit of hot glue here so that it's stuck down, but you can also just tie a knot if that's what you want. So I'm just going to do that for all of my circles. And now that we're done, we're going to start hot gluing the twine onto our cardboard. Now you've finished wrapping your twine around and sticking it on your cardboard, we're going to start embellishing this. So I'm taking this white bow here and I'm going to stick it here with some hot glue. And I'm also going to use some of these self-adhesive pearlescent embellishments. I've got some in silver as well. So I've used different sizes of pearls just to give it some variation, and now I've completed one, let's move on to the others. So I've just gone ahead and did these two off camera just so that I don't bore you. So I'm going to go ahead and embellish this one now. And I'm starting off with a brown bow this time, and I'm going to hot glue that there. I'm also going to add one of these pearls just onto the middle of the bow. And this time, to match the brown bow on this one, I'm going to use these champagne pearls. And now moving on to the third one, and I'm taking this champagne coloured bow. And for this one, I'm taking a small pearl and just sticking that on there. And now I'm making use of my silver gems because we haven't used that yet. And I'm just going to take a strip off and then apply them throughout our ornament. So for these two here, they're going to be a little bit different. We want some variation going on, so I'm going to take some brown paper roll and we're going to take a small mason jar lid, so this is smaller than the one that we used earlier. Then we're going to use our lid to make an outline on the paper roll, and then we're going to cut that and stick it down onto our cardboard. Now I've got my circles cut out, I'm going to stick that down with some Pritt stick or glue stick. So now we've stuck our brown paper down on both of these, I'm going to go ahead and again just do the same thing that we did with these three here. I'm going to hot glue some twine all the way around. So you can see now I've covered all of the cardboard area and we're just letting the brown parcel paper show. And now I'm taking this wooden topper snowflake and I'm going to hot glue it in the centre there. And now we're we're going to move on to the last one, and it's going to look pretty much like this. I'm just going to add some embellishments on the twine. Here's the ornaments all finished. They're like a rustic, farmhouse and glam style all mixed in one. I hope that this inspires you just to look around your home for what you have lying around already, and also to throw less away. Give it a chance and transform it into something beautiful. By the way, I have more cardboard DIYs, so let me know if you'd like to see more in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, make sure you subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. Take care, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. And we're going to use this to outline. And we're going to use a smaller jar here to make an outline on our paper roll. Then we're going to